Now, children, just type in the chat box. Is my voice clear to everyone? Is my voice clear to everyone? All right, that's very good. So, children, we have finished off with the topic A Kingdom of Fools. Just type in the chat box. Have we done the question answers also? I think book question answers we have finished. Anyone? Please type in the chat box. Book question answers we have finished? No? Have we started, Divya? I think we had started. Someone has to tell me.
Ma'am, we were
We have
reading.
not. क्या बात कर रहे हो? तुम्हारा चैप्टर ही खत्म नहीं हुआ है अभी तक. Oh my god. So we are really behind as far as class 9th is concerned. Okay. Moments. Okay. I think we have finished reading the chapter, children.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am, not
नहीं है?
finished.
अच्छा, तो बहुत गड़बड़ हो
Ma'am,
गई.
last 2 pages are left.
My God, हम इतना पीछे कैसे हैं तुम्हारी क्लास में यार?
Ma'am, even
Okay.
the paragraph and the king was confused that why the guru wants to die first.
Oh my God, so we are really behind. तो ठीक है, आज मैं थोड़ा सा जल्दी I'll finish off. As it is, it's a very easy story. तो अभी तक हमने ये पढ़ा है that you know this thief, he was killed because he he went into a merchant's house and the wall was very weak and it collapsed on the thief and the thief was killed. So the thief's brother goes to the king. The thief then blames the merchant. The merchant says it's the bricklayer's fault. The bricklayer says it's the dancing girl's fault. The dancing girl says it's the jeweler's fault, the goldsmith's fault. The goldsmith says that it is the merchant's fault, and hence the justice comes full circle. And then they decide that the merchant is very very thin to be executed on the stake. So somebody who's fat enough, plump enough to be executed, he should be executed. And then they zero in on the disciple. So because disciple, as we know, he was very fond of food, so he is to be executed on the stake. And now the disciple, he is very sad for his decision of staying in the kingdom, because now he knows that he actually is in a kingdom of fools and he remembers his guru. And that is when the guru comes and they make a plan. तो आपने पढ़ा होगा, he whispers something in his ear and then they both start fighting that I am going to go on the stake first and I am going to go on the stake first. So the king, he got very puzzled. तो king देखो यहाँ पे बोल रहा है ना, there is some mystery here, as a wise man you must make me understand, right? तो चलो अनीश, इसके आगे पढ़ो, थोड़ा तेज पढ़ना.
Yes, ma'am. Why, there is some mystery here. As a wise man, you must make me understand. Will you promise to put me to death if I tell you? Asked the Guru. The king gave him his solemn word. The Guru took him aside out of the servant's earshot and whispered to him, do you know why we want to die right now? The two of us. We have been all over the world, but we have never found a city like this or a king like you. That stake is the stake of the God of justice. It's new. It has never had a criminal on it. Whoever dies on it first will be reborn as the king of this country, and whoever goes next will be the future minister of this country. We are sick of our ascetic life. It would be nice to enjoy ourselves as king and minister for a while. Now keep your word, my lord, and put us to death. Me first, remember?
Okay, right, Anish. So here we see that the Guru now tells the king the mystery, and he says that we have never seen a city like this nor a king like you. तो वो बहुत ही उसकी बटरिंग करता है उसको, झूठ बोल रहा है, is sort of trying to trick the king, and he says that this stake is actually the stake of god of justice, and because it has never had a criminal on it, so whoever dies on it first will be reborn as the king of this country, and whoever dies next will become the minister. And the guru says we are sick of our ascetic life. Ascetic मतलब सन्यासी. तो गुरु कहता है मैं सन्यासी की लाइफ जीकर तंग आ गया हूँ. I don't have anything, I don't have any money, I don't have riches, I don't have clothes. And he says it would be so nice, no, if I could be reborn as the king in the next birth, and then I can enjoy myself. So he's saying that I will die, and next birth I will be reborn as the king, and my disciple will be reborn as the minister. तो ये स्टोरी किंग कुकअप कर देता है, और फिर वो किंग को बोलता है नाउ माय लॉर्ड कीप योर वर्ड एंड पुट अस टू दैट, एंड ही सेज मी फर्स्ट. रिमेंबर, यहाँ पर समझ में आ गया सबको? प्लीज से यस और टाइप यस.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, मनन पढ़ो.
The king was now thrown into deep thought. He didn't want to lose the kingdom to someone else in the next round of life. He needed time. So he ordered the execution postponed to the next day and talked in the secret with his minister. It's not right for us to give over the kingdom to others in the next life. Let's go on the stake ourselves and we will be reborn as king and minister again. Holy men do not tell lies, he said, and the minister agreed.
Continue.
So he told the executioners, we will send the criminals tonight. When the first man comes to you, put him to death first. Then do the same to the second man. Those are my orders. Don't take any mistake. That night, the king and his minister went secretly to the prison, released the guru and the disciple, disguised themselves as the two, and as arranged beforehand with loyal servants, were taken to the stake and promptly executed.
Okay, thank you Manan. So now जब किंग गुरु की वो बात सुनता है, he was thrown into deep thought, मतलब वो सोच में पड़ जाता है, and he thinks that I don't want to lose this kingdom to someone else in the next round of life, कि अगले जन्म में भी मैं ये किंगडम किसी और को क्यों दूं. तो उसको टाइम चाहिए था सोचने के लिए ना, तो वो क्या करता है, एग्जीक्यूशन को पोस्टपोन कर देता है टू द नेक्स्ट डे, and then he goes and secretly he talks with his minister and he says it's not right for us to give over the kingdom to others in the next life. कि कितना गलत होगा ना अगर अगले जन्म में भी हम अपने किंगडम को किसी और को दे देते हैं. तो एक काम करते हैं, लेट्स गो ऑन द स्टेक आवरसेल्व्स, हम ही स्टेक पे चलते हैं और मैं दोबारा किंग की तरह रीबॉर्न हो जाऊंगा और तुम मिनिस्टर बन जाना. एंड ही also says that holy men do not tell lies, कि जो होली पीपल होते हैं वो कभी झूठ नहीं बोलते हैं. तो जो ये सन्यासी बोल रहा है, जो ये गुरु बोल रहा है, that's absolutely correct. तो फिर इन्होंने ये प्लान बनाई, वो एग्जीक्यूशनर के पास जाते हैं और क्या बोलते हैं कि हम ना आज कुछ क्रिमिनल्स को तुम्हारे पास भेजेंगे, जब पहला पर्सन आएगा तो उसको एकदम से पुट हिम टू डेथ, देन व्हेन द सेकंड मैन कम्स डू द सेम थिंग टू हिम आल्सो, एंड दीज आर माय ऑर्डर्स एंड डोंट मेक एनी मिस्टेक. तो वो एग्जीक्यूशनर्स को समझा देते हैं कि आज रात को 2 आदमी तुम्हारे पास आएंगे और उनको एग्जीक्यूट कर देना. और अब किंग क्या करता है, उसी रात को प्रिजन में जाता है सीक्रेटली, गुरु और उसके डिसाइपल को रिलीज कर देता है, छोड़ देता है, खुद अपने आप डिस्गाइज हो जाते हैं वो गुरु और डिसाइपल की तरह. और जैसे ही पहले उन्होंने बिफोर हैंड, मतलब पहले ही उन्होंने अरेंज कर रखा था लॉयल सर्वेंट्स के साथ जो यहाँ पे एग्जीक्यूशनर्स हैं, तो उनको स्टेक पर ले जाया जाता है और एकदम से प्रॉम्प्टली मीन्स at that moment of time, तभी की तभी they were executed. So now what has happened, the king and the minister have been executed. Okay, अब कौन पढ़ेगा? Who wants to read?
May I?
Okay, Rudrakshi, read.
Yes, sir. When the bodies were taken down to the throne of crows and vultures of the people panicked, they saw before them the dead bodies of the king and the minister. The city was in confusion. All night they mourned and discussed the future of the kingdom. Some people suddenly thought of the Guru and the disciple and caught up with them as they were preparing to leave town unnoticed. We people need a king and a minister, said someone. Others agreed. They, be- they begged,
Begged.
begged the Guru and the disciple to be their king and their minister. They didn't take many arguments to, pres- to persuade the disciple, but it took longer to pres-
Persuade.
persuade the Guru. They finally agreed to rule the kingdom and of the foolish king and the silly ministers on the conditions that they could change all the old laws.
Yeah, continue.
From then on, night would again be night, and the day would again be day. Not and you could get something for a do. It became like any other place.
Okay, very good. Just some problems in reading. Persuade होता है बेटा ये where I'm pointing, no, where I'm highlighting. It's persuade. Persuade का मतलब होता है मनाना. So now what we have seen is that the king and the disciple, they have been executed. Their bodies have been taken down and they are being thrown to the crows and vultures. तो चील कौवे उसको खा रहे हैं and obviously the people panic that who's going to be our king and minister, because they saw the dead body of the king and the minister, so everybody was confused. So they were mourning. Mourning मतलब वो दुख मना रहे थे and they were discussing the future of the kingdom, that what will happen to our kingdom. And then some people, they thought of the guru and the disciple कि हमारे यहाँ तो एक इतना wise man guru और उसका disciple भी है. So they caught up with them. उनके पास जाते हैं as they were preparing to leave the town unnoticed. And here what are the guru and the disciple doing? They are going to leave the town. So they said that we need a king and a minister, and they said that let the guru and the disciple be the king and the minister. Now it didn't take many arguments to persuade the disciple. Disciple तो एकदम से ही मान जाता है. Persuade मतलब मनाना कि ठीक है मैं minister बन जाता हूँ. But Guru, because he was a wise man, he was a sannyasi, he was not into the worldly things, it takes a little more time to persuade him. And finally, they agree to rule the kingdom, but on one condition, that all the old laws have to be changed. So from then on, night again became night, day again became day, and you could not get anything for one to do, and it became like any other place. Right? So that was all for the lesson. Children, have you understood the chapter? Type in the chat box. Hurry up. Okay, so if that is the case, children, then let's go. क्योंकि इसमें मैंने 3-4 चीजें क्वेश्चन आंसर्स में आपकी प्लान करके रखी हैं. ये बुक के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स सारे आपको कॉपी में करने ही हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, 2 strange things. Of course, you can write. Can you just say yes or no? Unmute a mic and say. Can you write question number 1, 2 strange things?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Why does the disciple decide to stay in the kingdom of fools? कौन आंसर करो?
So that he could
Wanted cheap food.
Yeah, because of the cheap food. The disciple was a foodie. He loved to eat. And so, because all the food items were available for one to do, he decided to stay in the kingdom of fools. इसका आंसर करो. Was it a good idea?
No, ma'am.
no, ma'am.
Why?
No, ma'am.
अगर आप आंसर में सिर्फ ये लिखोगे इट वॉज नॉट अ गुड आइडिया, आपको फुल मार्क्स नहीं मिलेंगे. इन वन लाइन यू हैव टू गिव द रीजन ऑल्सो. सो गिव मी द रीजन. वॉज इट अ गुड आइडिया?
Ma'am, it wasn't because the disciple only saw the cheap food. He disciple didn't notice the disadvantages and threats of living in such a kingdom.
Okay, very good. Any other answer you want to speak? इसके अलावा
Ma'am,
Ma'am, because the area was of the foolish people, so ma'am, the disciple don't know what they will do next.
Yes, because it is never a good idea to live in the company of fools, as they are very unpredictable, as we never know what they are going to do next. Name all the people who were tried in the king's court and give the reason for their trial. ये वो story है, लिख सकते हो? Say yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Who is the real culprit according to the king? Why does he escape punishment? तो real culprit कौन था? The merchant himself.
the merchant
merchant's son. The merchant's son actually. और वो escape क्यों कर जाता है punishment? Because he was too thin. He was too thin to be executed on the stake. Can you write question number 4? I am not getting any answer. Children,
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
what were the guru's words of wisdom? Guru के words of wisdom क्या थे? That in a kingdom of fools, you never know what they will do to you next. Hence, we should not stay with them. तो disciple ये कब remember करता है? When he was about to be executed on the stake. And last is, how does the guru manage to save his disciple's life? इसमें आपको वहां से लिखना पड़ेगा that when he was about to go on the stake, the guru arrives and he says something in the disciples ear, and then they both start clamoring, they both start fighting for who is going to be executed on the stake. So the king gets very confused. He asks the guru that why he wanted to die. So the guru says that whoever will be killed now on the stake will be reborn as the king, and the second person will be reborn as the minister. So the king, in his greediness, decides that he does not want to share his kingdom with anybody else. So he decides to get himself and the minister killed on the stake instead of the guru and the disciple. ये सब लिख लोगे बच्चों?
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
अब आपके होमवर्क के लिए ये 6 क्वेश्चंस तो आपको कॉपी में करने ही हैं. उसके साथ आई हैव ऑल्सो पोस्टेड ये रिविजन क्वेश्चंस हमने आई थिंक वी हैव, ये तो पहले वाले हैं. सी चिल्ड्रन, ऑल दीज रिविजन क्वेश्चंस नो विच आर ओपनिंग, these are the ones जो कि they are just for the recapitulation of the chapter, so you need not do them in the copy. अगर मुझे लगता है कि एक आधा करना है तो I will tell you in the class. देखो ये बहुत easy questions हैं जो कि all of you can answer. Now first revision question, उसके बाद extra questions. This I want to see. I think, yeah, these questions, yes, I wanted to discuss with you people. It's taking a little time to load anyways. So again, children, if you see very easy questions, ये मैं इतने सारे questions आपको इसलिए बोलती हूँ so that when you are revising, आपके सारे 2 or 3 marks के question cover हो जाए. You don't no need to write them in the copy. Why did the guru want that he and his disciple should die first? You can write. When does the disciple remember the words of his guru? ये सब questions हम कर चुके हैं. Who became okay, last question. Why were the people of the kingdom confused when they saw the dead bodies of the king and his minister? कौन answer करेगा?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, please.
Ma'am, the people were confused to see the dead bodies of king and minister because people knew that the merchant will be on the stake. Merchant will be put on the stake. But when they saw that there was no merchant's body and there was king and minister, so they were shocked.
Yes, of course. You can also write any other answer. इसके अलावा कोई कुछ आंसर देना चाहता है?
Ma'am, because it was decided that the guru and disciple were to be executed.
Yeah, and instead of that, they saw the bodies of the king and the minister. So of course they were confused. Right. Okay, children, here I had planned a small activity. Difference between a normal state and a state of fools. तो नॉर्मल स्टेट में क्या करते हैं और फुलिश पीपल क्या करते हैं इस चैप्टर में। तो नॉर्मल स्टेट में जैसे वन एग्जांपल कैन बी डे इज डे, एंड हियर उसमें क्या लिखेंगे, डे इज नाइट एंड नाइट इज डे। देन ऑल द थिंग्स आर in a different all the things are available for different amounts of money, and in state of fools everything is available for one to do। क्या कोई और पॉइंट्स बता सकते हैं ऐसे?
Ma'am, thief does not get justice.
Thief does not get justice.
In normal state, a thief normally for stealing he does not ask for justice, but in a state of fools they are asking for justice. What else?
Ma'am, in normal state, the real culprit is punished, while in the state of fools, anyone is punished.
Anybody is punished regardless of the fact that they are guilty or not. Very good, Manan. Any other point? Just one more point I'm looking for. कोई और पॉइंट ध्यान आ रहा है? डिफरेंस किसी को नहीं आ रहा? In a normal state, the king or the ruler does not die because he wants to be reborn as the ruler. But in this kingdom of fools, the king himself gets executed because he wants to be reborn as the king of the kingdom. Do you all agree or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I'm sure अगर आप चैप्टर को दोबारा पढ़ोगे तो आपको इसके अलावा भी बहुत सारे पॉइंट्स मिल जाएंगे। द डिफरेंस बिटवीन अ नॉर्मल स्टेट, बाय स्टेट आई हियर मीन कंट्री या किंगडम, द नॉर्मल किंगडम एंड द किंगडम ऑफ फूल्स। एनीवेज, इसके बाद चिल्ड्रन आई हैव गिवन यू सम एग्जांपल्स ऑफ कॉम्प्रिहेंशन पैसेजेस, जो मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया था कि आपके पार्ट ए में जो क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 and 4 होने वाला है पेपर का, that is going to be comprehension passages from your beehive also and from moments also. So here I have given some example of comprehension passages. The only difference that is going to be is that here 4 questions are given, but इस साल से 4 की जगह 5 questions कर दिए। So Shambhavi, can you read question number 1 and answer?
Who are they in the above lines?
Yes.
Ma'am, Guru and his disciple.
Okay, next, what happened to the king and his minister?
Ma'am, they were executed.
Very good, they were executed on the stake. Next is, what were the old laws of the kingdom?
Day was night and the night was day.
Okay,
And
find
everything was
available for, yes. Find synonym of the word unwitty. Synonym ढूंढो।
Silly. Silly.
Silly, actually foolish.
Okay,
Foolish,
ma'am.
right? तो ठीक है, you all have got some practice of how they are to be done. बेटा इसमें से सिर्फ 1 question do in your copy, question number 2, ठीक है? सिर्फ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 अपनी कॉपीज में कर लेना, सो दैट आपको थोड़ा सा ध्यान रहे कि कैसे हम रेफरेंस टू कॉन्टेक्स्ट क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व करते हैं, राइट? कैन आई मूव फॉरवर्ड?
Ma'am, will you put question 2 on stream?
इट्स ऑलरेडी ऑन द स्ट्रीम बेटा, मैंने कहाँ से निकाला है? ये क्लासवर्क से निकाला है। क्लासवर्क स्ट्रीम दोनों जगह है बेटा। देखो तुम्हें दिखाऊं? ओके, आई क्लोज इट एंड आई गो बैक। अब ये देखो, यहाँ पे दिख रहा है जहां मेरा कर्सर है, ये स्ट्रीम है ना? से यस और नो?
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? अब स्ट्रीम में ये देखो, मैं पहले उस पे गई एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस, ये देखो द सेम डॉक्यूमेंट इज ओपनिंग। इट इज ऑलवेज देयर ऑन द स्ट्रीम। तुम लोग देखते नहीं हो, इसका मतलब है ना? सी द सेम डॉक्यूमेंट विल गेट लोडेड नाउ। ये देखो, I don't have these documents stored on my computer. Everything is on the stream. My computer doesn't have infinite storage, यार। अब ये देखो, it's here on the stream, everything. ये देखो, right, Manan?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, 3, 4 ये प्लीज घर बैठकर ऐसे ही अपने आप में कर लेना. दीज आर ऑल योर एक्सट्रैक्ट बेस्ड क्वेश्चन. नाउ we come to the short questions. Short questions, your 2 and 3 marks question. Okay, again more of revision type questions. सारे बहुत easy हैं. What impressed the disciple to stay in the kingdom of fools? Same thing, they everything was available for one to do. He was a foodie, he liked to eat food. Why did the thief's brother go to court? Why did the king punish the merchant? When did the disciple remember the warnings of his guru? What happened to the kingdom when the king and the minister died? तो ये सारे क्वेश्चंस, द ओनली थिंग यू हैव टू रिमेम्बर इज कि इनको 2 या 3 मार्क्स के क्वेश्चन ध्यान में रख के लिखना है. तो अगर 2 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन है तो आप कितनी लाइन लिखोगे? बोलो.
मैम 20 to 50.
20 to 40 वर्ड्स, यानी 2 to 4 लाइन्स. और अगर 3 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन है तो कितनी लाइन्स लिखोगे?
6.
3 to 6 लाइन्स. तो उसी हिसाब से, जैसे हाउ वाज द किंगडम ऑफ फूल्स डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अदर प्लेसेस, 2 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन. व्हाई वर द टू स्ट्रेंजर्स, दैट इज द गुरु एंड द डिसाइपल अमेज्ड. ओके, तो मैं शॉर्ट आंसर्स इसमें से, आई डोंट वांट एनीथिंग टू बी डन इन द कॉपी. इफ यू वांट टू मेक अ क्वेश्चन बैंक ऑफ योर ओन तो आप सिर्फ ये क्वेश्चंस नोट डाउन कर सकते हैं, ऊपर क्वेश्चन बैंक लिख सकते हैं. राइट जैसे कि मैंने आपको ये 5 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन लॉन्ग आंसर क्वेश्चंस एज अ क्वेश्चन बैंक दिया है. इसमें आई वांट यू टू डू क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इन योर कॉपी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 को कॉपी में कर लेना एंड वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस कि ये कैसे करना है. सबसे पहले तो please write this question bank in your copy. Second thing is, because it's a 5 marks question, I am not allowed to write more than 10 to 12 lines. Right? तो मैं question number 1 देखती हूँ. On the basis of your reading, give your views. Wisdom is worshipped everywhere when foolishness is our greatest enemy. So how do I go about writing this answer? अब सबको पता है कि इस टॉपिक के लिए मुझे इस चैप्टर की स्टोरी को ही लिखना पड़ेगा, लेकिन स्टोरी लिखते हुए आई सिंपली कैन नॉट स्टार्ट ऑफ कि एक किंग था और एक गुरु था, एक डिसाइपल था. आई हैव टू टाई इट अप विद दिस लाइन ऑल्सो. तो वो मैं कैसे करती हूँ? इंट्रोडक्शन देके. तो आई राइट, children please excuse me if I'm making some typing mistakes because I just want to explain. So it is rightly said that wisdom is worshipped, whereas क्या लाइन थी? Wisdom is worshipped everywhere when foolishness is our greatest enemy. ठीक है, whereas foolishness is our greatest enemy. We have proof of the above mentioned line when we read the chapter in the kingdom of fools. देखो बच्चों, मैंने क्या किया है, ये 2 लाइंस लिख के मैंने इस लाइन को इस चैप्टर के साथ जोड़ दिया है. राइट, सो इट इज राइटली सेड दैट विजडम इज वर्शिप वेयरएज फूलिशनेस इज आवर ग्रेटेस्ट एनिमी. वी हैव प्रूफ ऑफ द अबव मेंशन्ड लाइंस व्हेन वी रीड द चैप्टर इन द किंगडम ऑफ फूल्स. यहाँ तक सबको समझ में आ गया? यू हैव टू से यस.
Yes, ma'am.
राइट.
Yes, ma'am.
अब मैं स्टोरी को छोटे में लिखना शुरू करती हूँ. इन दिस चैप्टर of a glutton होता है लालची. a glutton disciple is saved by his wise guru from the clutches of a foolish king and his minister. The king found out that a merchant was responsible for the death of a thief. But the merchant was too thin to be executed on the stake. Hence, the king decided to replace him with the disciple who was Plum. ठीक है, अब देखो ध्यान दो बच्चों, मैं यहाँ पर बहुत ज्यादा डिटेल में स्टोरी नहीं लिख रही हूँ, क्योंकि अगर मैं पूरी स्टोरी बहुत ज्यादा डिटेल में लिखने लग जाऊंगी देन आई एम गोइंग टू exceed my word limit of 100 to 120 words, right? तो मैंने लिखा है in this chapter a glutton disciple, okay, please excuse my spellings, is saved by his wise guru from the clutches of a foolish king and his minister. The king found out that a merchant was responsible for the death of a thief, but the merchant was too thin to be executed on the stake. Hence the king decided to replace him with the disciple who was Plum. The guru came to the rescue of his disciple and convinced the king to hang himself on the stake. By doing this, he would be reborn as the king and his minister as the minister. ठीक है? Thus the king, अब देखो मेरे हिसाब से स्टोरी इन लाइंस में खत्म हो गई है, तो गुरु ने क्या किया, गुरु केम टू द रेस्क्यू ऑफ हिज डिसाइपल एंड कन्विंस द किंग टू हैंग हिमसेल्फ on the stake. By doing this, he would be reborn as the king and his minister as the minister. Thus, the king, who was a fool and a threat to the disciple, was outwitted by the wiseness of the guru. And now I am concluding. Hence, it is rightly said that wisdom is worshipped. अब देखो कितनी लाइन्स हुई, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Still again I have also just a little bit I have exceeded the word limit, but still it is within the word limit. समझ में आ गया इस आंसर को कैसे लिखना है? Everyone say yes, children.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
तो ऐसे आपको ये वैल्यू बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस को लिखना होता है. There has to be 1 or 2 lines of introduction, then the whole chapter explained in very short, very short, and then 1 line of conclusion. Hence it is rightly said that wisdom is worshipped. Right, children? So question number 1, you can write in your copy. Question number 2 देखिए, in the kingdom of fools, due to foolishness of the king and his minister, everything was opposite and abnormal. How can peace and harmony be established in a state? Question number 2 actually I don't think ये कभी आने वाला है, क्योंकि ये बहुत ही vague question है. तो how can peace and harmony be established? जब सब अपना काम करें, when everybody is sincere, when the king is wise, when the ministers they advise him rightly, तो छोड़ दीजिए, सॉरी क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 छोड़ दीजिए. How was the life different in the kingdoms of fools? देखो चिल्ड्रन, अगेन यहाँ पे सिर्फ 2 पॉइंट्स में काम नहीं चलेगा, बिकॉज इट्स अ 5 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन, तो आपको उस हिसाब से इसमें पॉइंट्स लिखने पड़ेंगे. तो हाउ वाज लाइफ डिफरेंट, सबसे पहले तो हम उसी से स्टार्ट करेंगे, दैट नाइट वाज डे, डे वाज नाइट, एंड एवरीथिंग वाज अवेलेबल फॉर वन टू डू. लेकिन उसके अलावा जो अभी हमने एक्टिविटी की ना, और क्या अलग था वहां पे, तो इवन अ थीफ कुड आस्क फॉर जस्टिस, देन king used to give justice in a very absurd and haphazard way. People who had committed crimes, yeah, people who had committed actions long back, even they could be held responsible. तो points आपको इसमें ढूंढ कर लिखने पड़ेंगे, right? The disciple has done nothing wrong. Why was he arrested? Again, you can answer. Greed leads to grave. Explain this statement in the context of the story in the kingdom of fools. इसमें आपको disciple को main character बनाकर इस स्टोरी को लिखना है. नाउ जस्टिस हैड कम इन फुल सर्कल. एक्सप्लेन. अगेन स्टोरी को लिखना है, लेकिन दोबारा यू नो इन योर ओन वर्ड्स. तो नाउ चिल्ड्रन, इफ देर आर एनी डाउट्स, तो बट जो टाइम हो गया क्या, इज द टाइम अप?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, तो जल्दी से बताओ, एनी प्रॉब्लम्स चिल्ड्रन? कैन यू राइट? अब आपको पता लग गया ना क्या क्या करना है. अनसीन कॉन्टेक्स्ट बेस्ड क्वेश्चन में से एक क्वेश्चन और लॉन्ग आंसर क्वेश्चन में से एक क्वेश्चन, राइट? ठीक है चिल्ड्रन, दैट वाज ऑल फॉर टुडेज क्लास. थैंक यू. यू कैन लीव.
Thank you, ma'am.